بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you? Students, this is your mathematics class. Let's start our studies. Okay, students. Today the question of our maths class is question 12, and this is page 28. This is page 28. Okay, what you have to do? We have to follow the instructions given in ordinal numbers. Follow the instructions given in ordinal numbers. Okay, students. Number A. Number A is color the fourth layer in blue. Color the fourth layer in blue. So what we have to do, students? Can you see this is picture of an ice cream without colors. This is ice cream. You can see this is cone ice cream. And they are saying that you have to color the fourth layer. This is the fourth layer and we have to color this layer in blue. Okay, we have to color this layer in blue. Let's color with me. Okay, students, now you can see I have colored the fourth layer in blue. I have colored this in blue. Now let's check what's our second instruction. Okay, now they are saying that in number B it is written color the second layer in purple. Color the second layer in purple. Okay, let's check out the second layer. Okay, this is the second layer. Okay, this one is the second layer and we have to color this layer into purple. Okay, students, now you can see I have colored the second layer in purple. Okay, now let's check what's our third instruction. Okay, C is color the eighth layer in pink. Color the eighth layer in pink. Okay, now let's come with me. We have to color the eighth layer. Okay, this is the eighth layer. Can you see? This is the eighth layer and we have to color the eighth layer in pink. Let's color it. Okay, students, I have colored the eighth layer into pink color. And now fourth instruction is D. This is the fourth instruction and it says that color the first layer in red. So let's check the first layer. Where it is the first layer? This is the first layer and we have to color this layer into red color. Okay, let's color with me. Okay, students, you can see I have colored the first layer into the red one. Let's check what is our fifth instruction. Okay, students, E is our fifth instruction. It says that color the seventh layer in black. So this is the seventh layer and we have to color it in black. Okay, this is the seventh layer. Let's color it. Okay, students, you can see I have colored the seventh layer into black color. Okay, now let's check what is our F instruction. Let's check it out. F says that color the third layer in orange. Color the third layer in orange. Where is our third layer, students? This is our third layer. Okay, and we have to color it into orange color. Let's color with me. Okay, students, you can see I have colored the third layer into the orange color. Now what is our instruction G? Instruction G is, here it is, the instruction G. We have to color the ninth layer in brown. Color the ninth layer in brown and let's check where is our ninth layer. This is our ninth layer we have to color it into brown color. Let's color with me. Okay students, you can see I have colored the 9th layer into the brown one, and now they are saying that color the 6th layer in white. Color the 6th layer in white, so we have to leave this 6th layer as it is because this is the white color. Okay, and now what they are saying, color the 10th layer in yellow. Color the 10th layer in yellow. This is the 10th layer, we have to color it into yellow color. Let's color with me students. Okay students, you can see that I have colored this 10th layer into the yellow one, okay, according to the instructions. Now what is our next and the last instruction? Let's check it out. They are saying that color the 5th layer in green. Color the 5th layer in green. Where is the 5th layer? This is the 5th layer, we have to color it into green. Okay students, let's color with me. Okay students, you can check it out now that I have colored the 5th layer into the green color according to the instructions. Okay students, so our question was that we have to follow the instructions given in ordinal numbers. Okay, and they were saying that color the 4th layer in blue. We have colored the 4th layer in blue. Then they were saying color the 2nd layer in purple, and we have colored the 2nd layer in purple. And then they were saying color the 8th layer in pink. This is the 8th layer, it is pink. And then the 1st layer in red, so this is the 1st layer in red. And then the 7th layer in black, this is the 7th layer in black. And then color the 3rd layer in orange, this is the 3rd layer in orange. Color the 9th layer in brown, this is the 9th layer which is in brown color. Color the 6th layer in white, so we have left it without any color, so this is the white in color. And then color the 10th layer in yellow, this is the 10th layer which is in yellow color. And color the 5th layer in green, this is the 5th layer in green. And now we are having a very beautiful cone ice cream with so many different yellow colored layers. Okay students, have you enjoyed today's class? Very good. So now it's your homework time students. And what is your homework? You have to complete this page 28. Here you can see this is page 28, and you have to complete this page in a very beautiful color. Please don't make your page dirty. Okay, do very neat and clean colors like I have done. And then after finishing your work, you have to share the picture of this page in your WhatsApp group where your teacher will check your homework. Okay students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe, take care my dear students. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.